So in this problem, we need to determine the equation of a circle that circumscribes the triangle created by the lines. These three lines, the equations are given to us. Let's try to understand the problem graphically first. So here we have a circle and then we have three lines. The three lines are intersecting with each other in such a way that they produce a triangle, and the triangle's vertices lie on the circle. Our goal will be to determine the equation of the circle. To begin with, what we'll do, we'll name the three lines. Let's call it line L1, then we have line L2 and line L3. The line have the equation. Let's say the line 1 is given by the equation 2x plus y minus 3 equals to 0. Line 2 has the equation x plus y minus 1 equals to 0. Line 3 has the equation 3x plus 2y minus 5 equals to 0. Now what we'll do first, we'll try to find out the intersection points of the two lines. So let's say line 1 and line 3 intersects at point A. Line 2 and line 3 intersects at point B. And then we have line 2 and line 1 that intersects at the point, we have already chosen C, let's call it at the point D. So the goal will be to find the coordinate point. That's very simple. All we have to do is solve the two lines. That means if we solve the lines L1 and L2, solving the lines L1 and so we have L1 and L2, that's going to give us the point D. Solving the line L2 and L3 gives the point B, and then solving the line L1 and L3, that's going to give us the coordinate point A. Fine. So that's a very simple task, because if we are solving line 1 and line 2, now what we have here is a linear equation in two variables and the simultaneous linear equation. We can solve for L1 and L2 to get the point D. So stating the values here, we are going to get 2, negative 1. That means the value of x comes out to be 2 and the value of y comes out to be negative 1. Solving line 2 and line 3, that means the equation x plus y minus 1 and line 3, which is 3x plus 2y equals to 5. That's going to give the value of x equals to 3 and y equals to negative 2. So our point of intersection will be 3, negative 2. Solving line 1 and line 3 gives the coordinate of point A as 1, 1. Right. Now we have the three coordinate points. Now we can rephrase the problem. So we have the 3 points A, B and C, D. The circle is passing through these 3 points. Now what we'll do, we'll consider the general equation of a circle. So let's suppose let the general equation of a circle be x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2 times fx plus c equals to 0. So we have the general equation of the circle, and this circle passes through the points A, B and D. That would mean that the points are going to satisfy the equation. So let's label this as equation number 1. Now that we have equation number 1 for the point A, which is given by 1, 1, we're going to substitute the value of x with 1 and y with 1 into equation number 1 and rewrite it to get 2g plus 2f plus c equals to negative 2. Let's call it equation number 2. Then we have point B. So point B is going to lie on the circle, meaning it is going to satisfy the equation of a circle. So that's going to give us 6g minus 4f plus c equals to negative 13. That is equation number 3. And we have point D with coordinates 2, negative 1. The equation will be 4g minus 2f plus c equals to negative 5. That will be number 4. Now what we have here is 3 equations given by equation 2, 3 and 4, and it has 3 parameters g, f and c. So we have a simultaneous linear equations. We can solve them to find out the values. This is a very simple problem, leaving it as an exercise for you to try out. So I'm going to state the values of g, f and c here. So we get the value of g as negative 13 over 2. The value of f comes out to be negative 5 over 2. And the value of c comes out to be 16. So now we have the value of g, f, and g. We can substitute this into equation number 1. We get x squared plus y squared plus 2x times g. So g is negative 13 over 2 plus 2y times f. So f is negative 5 over 2 plus 16 equals to 0. So what we can do? So let's further simplify this, and that's going to give us x squared plus y squared minus 13x minus 5y plus 16 equals to 0. So this is going to be the equation of a circle.